The figure below is made up of squares E, F, G, H, and P, Q, R, S, a circle, and two identical semicircles. J and K are the midpoints of PQ and RQ respectively. P, Q, R, and S are the midpoints of EF, FG, GH, and EH respectively. Use the calculated value of pi to find the total area of the shaded parts. Correct to 2 decimal places. So we know that there are two squares, which is EF, GH, and PQRS. So EF, GH, and PQRS. A circle, which is here, and two semicircles, which is here. So J and K are midpoints of PQ and RQ. So this is the midpoint, while PQR and S are the midpoints of EF, FG, GH, and EH respectively. So we are supposed to find the total area of the shaded parts. So let's focus on this, which is here. This is part of the circle, and if I were to draw this is the midpoint. It means that it will actually be like that. So this is actually a quadrant. So to find this shaded part here, which is the red part, I just need to use the area of the quadrant minus the area of the triangle. Since we know that this whole thing is 28 and this is the midpoint, this must be equals to 14 and 14. So area of triangle is equals to half times 14 times 14. And divided by 2, I get 7 times 14. And I will get 98 cm square. Then I need to find the area of quadrant, which is equals to 1/4 times pi times 14, which is the radius, times 14. Area of this quadrant. Okay. I will get 153.93. So to find the red shaded area, it's just using the area of the quadrant, which is 153.9380 minus 98. Okay. $55.9380. The next step, we will look at this part here, which is orange in color. We can actually transfer this over here because they are identical, which means that it will actually occupy this part. And we can also look at this part here. Since this is the midpoint, I can also transfer this to here. And this would be the blue part. So looking at this, you realize that we are actually finding the area of the triangle, right? And to find the area of this triangle, we need to know the length. We can take this as the base, which is RG, and we know that this will actually be equivalent to 14. And we will take this part as the height, as the perpendicular height. Now to find the length of the perpendicular height is actually equivalent to 28 divided by 4, because this is the radius of the semicircle. This is also the radius, and radius. And since the whole length is 28, to find one pink part is just 28 divided by 4, which gives us 7 cm. So to find the other shaded area, which is the area of the triangle, so area of triangle is equals to half times base, which is 14, times the perpendicular height, which is 7. Divided by 2, we'll get 7. Therefore, it will be 49 cm square. Thus, to find the total area, you just need to use 49, which is here, plus the red shaded area, which is 55.9380. And I will get 104.938. And since the question is asking us to correct to 2 decimal place, it will be 104.94 cm square.